Let's create a traffic campaign for our website. Open your business manager of Facebook, click on create and select the traffic campaign. Here you are having options for link clicks, landing page views, messenger and WhatsApp and calls. So right now my aim is to messenger and WhatsApp. Let's begin. Press continue. Give a name to your campaign. Press next. I am leaving all the things as it is. Now you are at the ad set level. Now give a name to your ad. What is your aim to message on the WhatsApp? There is performance goal and which is already given over here, maximize number of link clicks. Other are maximize daily unique reach and maximize number of impressions. My concern is that my audience click on the link of WhatsApp. So this is the better option. Select a page. I'm not setting any bid over here right now. Ad budget I will keep 2100. Now select a start date. I am not mentioning any end date so that I can manually stop it whenever I want. Here is the important section, audience. Here you can select if you already have created any audience or you can create any audience here right now. So I'm creating it right now over here, like I want to target Pakistan. Age group I want to make it a little narrow, 24. You can observe the changes which are appearing on the right hand side here. Earlier it was showing that there is zero result, but now it is showing less than 10. Now I can do more targeting if I want, like if I want to target only men. My object of the campaign is traffic, so Facebook is recommending to use the broad audience, and that's why I cannot make further changes over here in the audience. Now advantage placement or manual, let's go with the advantage one. Press next and my Facebook page and Instagram already been selected. Create an ad, manual upload or catalog. So I'm going for with the manual and I will create an ad with the image, or I may choose from the account page images. It is fine. Let's go to the next and done. Here I can write the primary text. So you can write any primary text that will appear at the top of your ad. And if you add any emojicons over here, it will give a better look. WhatsApp is already given over here. The option that WhatsApp chat with us, I can change it. Okay, and this is the objective which I already have selected. If I want, I can change because my campaign objective is WhatsApp message. One more thing important, that your WhatsApp should be connected with your page. Now if I press the publish button, it will be published. Now a traffic campaign with the objective of WhatsApp messages is completed. This is all from today's video. In the next video, we will be creating traffic campaign with the website option. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.